619 million people. You might be one of them. 619 million people. You might be one of them. 619 million people. You might be one of them. But a simple motion can change everything, right here, right now, without standing up. It is called the seated salsa.
So why does it keep coming back? It's because of this vicious cycle of pain and stiffness that we see in the research. The Florentine. The spine's weakest point, Patres, is the final two vertebrae. Pain causes severe muscle spasms. This area can lock up completely. You become trapped.
No movement means more stiffness. More stiffness means more pain. It's a vicious cycle.
Keep your upper body perfectly still. Repeat this for 1 minute. Begin by slowly rolling the pelvis left and right. Gradually increase the pace, maintaining a...
As you can see, the red spikes indicate high levels of tension in the lower back muscles.
The EMG data confirms it. The jagged red peaks rapidly subside, replaced by this smooth...
Studies prove this works. 1 minute, every half hour. It relaxes muscles and eases pain.
If you cannot stand and walk, let your pelvis walk for you.
Wow, look at that view.
It's amazing. I'm glad we came out today.
I'm so glad we came out here. The weather is perfect.
Me too, and we are making great time.
The key is building the habit. Seated or standing, just move. Let your body move.
Let small movements become a river of health, a river of life.